Hello friends, today we will discuss the importance of having a wooden kitchen. First of all, introduction. A wooden kitchen is a timeless and versatile choice to offer numerous benefits for homeowners. From its natural beauty to its durability and sustainability, a wooden kitchen is an investment that can enhance the value and functionality of your home. In this section, we will explore the importance of having a wooden kitchen and why it's a popular choice among homeowners. Number 2. Aesthetic appeal. Wooden kitchens are renowned for their natural beauty and warmth. The unique grain patterns and textures of the wood create a visually appealing and inviting space that is perfect for cooking, dining, and socializing. Wood has natural warmth that creates a cozy and inviting atmosphere in the kitchen. The warmth is not only aesthetically pleasing but also makes the kitchen feel more welcoming and comfortable. The unique grain pattern of wood add visual interest and character to the kitchen. Each piece of the wood has its own distinct grain pattern, making every wooden kitchen unique and one of a kind. Wooden kitchens never go out of style, ensuring that your kitchen remains beautiful and functional for years to come. Unlike other kitchen material, wood does not become outdated or unfashioned, making it a timeless choice for homeowners. Number 3 is durability and sustainability. Wooden kitchens are incredibly durable and sustainable, making them a practical choice for homeowners. Wood is a long-lasting material that can withstand wear and tear of daily use. With proper care and maintenance, a wood kitchen can last for decades, providing a lifetime service for enjoyment. Wood is resistant to damage from scratches, spills, and other accidents. Unlike other kitchen materials, wood can withstand the rigors of daily use, making it a practical choice for busy homeowners. It is a sustainable material that can be sourced from renewable forests, reducing the environmental impact of your kitchen. Sustainable wood sourcing ensures that the wood used in your kitchen is harvested in a responsible and environmentally friendly manner. Number 4 is health benefits. Wooden kitchens have been shown to have numerous health benefits, making them a great choice for homeowners who value their well-being. Wood is a natural material that does not emit harmful chemical, improving the air quality in your kitchen. This is especially important for homeowners who suffer from respiratory issues or other health benefits. The natural warmth and beauty of wood have been shown to reduce stress and promote relaxation. This is especially important for homeowners who lead a busy and stressful life. Exposure to natural materials like wood has been shown to boost the immune system and reduce inflammation. This is especially important for homeowners who want to maintain a healthy and active lifestyle. Finally, at the end, I would like to say a wooden kitchen is a valuable investment that offers numerous benefits for homeowners, from its natural beauty to durability to its sustainability and health benefits. A wooden kitchen is a timeless choice. I hope you would have liked the video and subscribe the channel as well. Kindly share the video with your family and friend to help me grow. Also suggest a topic where you want to see the next video. Stay tuned for next video. Thank you so much.